Dear students, Jai Hind. Today we will try to solve some questions of exercise 10.2. Exercise 10.1 related to class 10th. Solve yourself. If there is any question not solvable by you, then ask the same from me. In question number 10.2, exercise 10.2, your question 1 is write the equations for x-axis and y-axis. X-axis, y-axis. Equation of x-axis is y is equal to 0. On x-axis, y coordinate of any point is 0. So therefore, equation of x-axis is y is equal to 0 and equation of y-axis is x is equal to 0. Now, this is your question number 1. In your question number 2, it is given that find equation of the line passing through minus 4, 3 with slope half. Question number 2, passing point is minus 4, 3 and slope is equal to half. It is given. As you know from previous lectures that equation of line is y minus y1 is equal to mx minus x1. Put the given values. This implies y minus 3 is equal to half x minus minus 4. This implies 2y minus 6 is equal to x plus 4. This implies x minus 2y plus 10 is equal to 0. This is your required equation of a straight line passing through this with slope half. Now, select question number 6. Find equation of line intersecting y-axis at a distance of 2 units above origin. Question number 6. Find equation of line intersecting y-axis at 2 units above origin. And making an angle of 30 degree and making an angle of 30 degree with positive direction of x-axis. Positive direction of x-axis. Draw rough sketch. Your line looks like this. 2 units above origin intersect y-axis and makes 30 degree with positive direction of x-axis. So here theta is 30 degree given. So therefore m is equal to tan theta is equal to tan 30 degree is equal to 1 by root 3. Now we are required to passing point. As you know, coordinate of any point on x, coordinate of any point on y axis is 0. So therefore coordinate of this point will be 0, 2. X is 0, y is equal to 2. Using y minus y1 is equal to mx minus x1. We have y minus 2 is equal to m. Value of m is obtained as root 3 into x minus 0. This implies root 3x minus y plus 2 is equal to 0. Sorry. Value of m is 1 upon root 3 x minus 0. This implies root 3y minus 2 root 3 is equal to x. This implies x minus root 3y plus 2 root 3 is equal to 0. This is your required equation of line. Now question number 7. Find the equation of line passing through the point minus 1 1 and 2 minus 4. As you know, value of m is y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. Here x1, y1, x2, y2 are given. So this implies m is equal to 1 minus 4 upon minus 1 minus 2. You can take any point as x1, y1 and second as x2, y2, or take this as x1, y1, this as x2, y2. This is equal to 5, 1 plus 4, 5 upon minus 3. Here we have taken first point as x2, y2. If we take second point as x2, y2, then also value of m will be minus 4, that is y2, minus y1, minus 1 upon x2, 2 minus 1 is equal to minus 5 by 3. Same as above, minus of 5 by 3. Therefore, you can take any point as x2, y2, any point as x1, y1. But always remember that if you take this as x2, then this become y2. If this is x1, then this is y1. Now m is obtained. Select any point as x1, y1 using y minus y1 is equal to mx minus x1. We have y minus 1. Select this as x1, y1 is equal to value of m minus 5 by 3 x minus x1, x minus minus 1. This implies 3y minus 3 is equal to minus 5x. Take this 3 left side, multiply minus 5. Minus 5x minus minus become plus, and this minus again make minus. Minus 5x minus 5. This implies 5x plus 3y. Take this minus 5 here become plus. 5 minus 3 plus 2 is equal to 0. This is your required equation. Thank you.